Hello everyone, my name is Bunny. Today I will introduce the way to study vocabulary by drawing and making video because I love drawing. This way will help you to remember new words and more easily and confidently when you presentation at school. So today I learned new vocab by this subject, bathroom vocabulary. So let's get started. Wash basin is here. Mirror is here. Toothpaste is here. Hairbrush is here. So small. Shaving foam here. Razor is here. Small too. Liquid soap is here. Electric toothbrush is here. Hand towel is here. Toilet is very big. Plunger is here. Oh, it's very long. Rubber slippers. There are two rubber slippers. Toilet brush is here. Toilet paper. Wow, it's two toilet papers. Shower curtain is here. Ooh, very big. Water heater here. Bathtub is very big. Bath mat. It's very small. And finally, it's a tower. Here. Thanks for watching and thanks for GapamaEdu support me. See you in next video. Goodbye.